Welcome to India CSR YouTube story. In this edition, we feature the inspiring sustainability initiative of Dabur India, a leading Ayurvedic and natural health care company, and its commitment to reviving traditional water bodies under its CSR program. Recently, Dabur announced the revival of a large community pond in village Narangpur, Baddi, located in the Sirmaur district of Himachal Pradesh. The pond now has the capacity to store over 16,800 kiloliters of rainwater and marks a significant milestone as the 20th water body restored by Dabur in its mission to become a water-positive organization by 2030. This ambitious project was executed by Dabur's CSR arm, the Jeevanti Welfare and Charitable Trust, which undertook deep digging and desilting of the pond, boundary wall construction, stone pitching to strengthen the banks, and installation of a drainage system to remove plastic waste. The restored pond is now a lifeline for over 150 village families. It is set to benefit farmers by increasing groundwater levels and providing water for irrigation. This, in turn, is expected to boost crop yields and improve farmer incomes by 30%. The pond will also serve as a sustainable water source for villagers engaged in animal husbandry. The revamped pond was handed over to the local community by Mr. Mohit Burman, Chairman of Dabur India Ltd, in the presence of the Dabur Management Committee. Speaking at the event, Mr. Burman said,
"With these enhancements, the pond now has the capacity to store a larger amount of water, ensuring its availability for the local community throughout the year. This traditional water conservation system can become a lifesaver for rural areas facing water crisis. By restoring this local pond, Dabur is not only contributing to water conservation but also enhancing the quality of life for the residents of Narangpur village. We are thrilled to see the positive impact that the revival of this pond will have on the community. This initiative is a testament to our commitment to sustainable development and water conservation. Reviving the neglected water bodies and ponds has resulted in a 30% increase in farmer income in the region by way of higher crop yield. By working together, we are not only addressing the immediate water needs of the village but also contributing to the long-term environmental sustainability of the region. Our goal of becoming water positive by 2030 is ambitious, but projects like this will ensure that we achieve this target ahead of schedule.
This traditional water conservation system can become a lifesaver for rural areas. With projects like these, we are not only reviving ecosystems but also transforming lives. He also added, "Our goal of becoming water positive by 2030 is ambitious but achievable, and community-focused projects like this will help us reach that goal ahead of time." This initiative showcases Dabur's focus on sustainability, rural development, and community empowerment, aligning with the broader national and global goals on water conservation and climate resilience. Thank you for tuning into this India CSR story. We hope you found it insightful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this story, please give the video a thumbs up, share it with your network, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on transformative CSR initiatives across India. Your support encourages us to keep spotlighting stories that matter. Thank you again for watching.